So here we start off with today, Sunday the 5th, and this is midday, and we have very high pressure centred over central and southern Britain, and there's a warm front weakening feature approaching the Irish Republic. This day looks to bring average temperatures, though slightly milder in the northwest because of this southwesterly flow. Quite calm winds in the central parts, light breeze. This could form a problem overnight into Monday. We have light winds and cold weather, so we're expecting a frost. Breezier in the northwest with an approaching cold front. Dry in the south, mist and fog possible in the morning. Tuesday, we have more of a continental influence from this high pressure system. And if you notice here, the 1036 reading is coming from Russia. And at first, it's cut off a bit from Eastern Europe. So we're expecting cold day here. But then following day from that, we are seeing the 1036 is continuing, but this time it's directly from Russia. So we think that it will be becoming colder, especially in the south on Tuesday, and a very cold night Tuesday night. The cold front moving down in the opposite direction from the southwest is a weakening feature, so not much rain will affect us by this stage. And as we can see here, the easterlies will remain in the south, so cold there. Less cold in the northwest. The 1036 reading millibars continues to move through Russia and Greece, where it is becoming exceptionally cold at the moment. This will reach us later on Wednesday. How cold it will be depends on a few factors, whether the air mass actually reaches us. But there is a subtle hint here that because the pressure reading is the same, the air is moving through the same transit. Again, this fairly average temperatures to mild temperatures in the northwest, very breezy up there, potential touching on gale force gusts. Higher elevations as well, windy. In the south, we need to keep an eye on all this because we now see more of a westerly influence from the Atlantic, but this high pressure system, which has very cold air mass, is still sitting over much of Europe. We have three areas here, a milder area from the south, over Iberia, but with that easterly influence, not particularly warm, but cooler in the night times. Then we have this very active jet stream to the north and west of the United Kingdom. And what will win out? In the south, we see here quite calm winds on Wednesday. Once again, overnight frost, possible mist and fog patches at first. We really need to keep an eye on this, though. I think that there's a slightly higher chance that the jet stream from the west will win over. However, for how long is not exactly known at the moment. It will affect northwestern parts more than southeastern parts, however. As we can already see, it's exerting its influence here by Wednesday, so it'll be breezy and we'll expect some rain to approach from the west and northwest.